Have you ever had shawarma before? This is probably one of my family's most favorite meals, and I've been completely obsessed with it since about 2012 when the Avengers movie came out, and Tony Stark was like, hey, we've saved the world, now let's go eat some shawarma. And I was like, what is this? I need to try it. And it's amazing. It's such a versatile meal because it's so easy for you to change up how you want to cook it. So you're going to make a really easy marinade, and then you're just going to cook it with some chicken and onions. You can cook it in the slow cooker, you can marinate it and roast it in the oven, or you can make kebabs out of the same meat and put it over the grill. It's so simple, so flavorful. It is probably, well, it is our favorite. So once the chicken is cooked, then you serve it up. We like to serve it with fresh veggies and pita and hummus, and there's a garlic sauce, which I forgot to make, but it's delicious.